Hey, fellow ADHD woman. One of the things that can make it really, really hard to focus and get stuff done with ADHD is a dysregulated nervous system. The reason is because when your nervous system is dysregulated, that is, you're in your fight or flight response, your freeze response, your shutdown response, the only priority your brain, your body has is survival. Your brain and body can't focus on folding your laundry, doing your podcast, getting stuff done for your job or your business, because the only concern is that you need to survive. It's basically an all hands on deck situation. The hard part is that your body will go into these protective responses anytime there's a perceived threat. And your nervous system, your brain does not know the difference between a tiger chasing you and a nasty comment on social media or someone making a judgy face at you in line at the grocery store. So it is essential that with ADHD, we regulate our nervous systems so that we can focus and get stuff done. Why make it hard on ourselves? That's why I've created a 28-day challenge to help you regulate your nervous system so you can focus and get stuff done with ADHD. I'd love it if you'd join me.